Welcome back to my channel. I am here with another video, and in today's video I will talk about a crucial component of your vehicle, machine, or car, the starter motor. What is it, and how does it work? Let's find out. The starter motor is an essential part of your car's starting system. It's responsible for initiating the engine's operation by turning the flywheel. Essentially, without the starter motor, your car wouldn't start. A typical starter motor consists of several key components. First, the armature. This is the rotating part that generates the magnetic field. Second, the field coils. These create the magnetic field needed to turn the armature. Third, the solenoid. This acts as a switch to engage the starter motor when you turn the ignition key. And finally, the pinion gear. This engages with the flywheel to crank the engine. Now, let's break down how a starter motor works. First, turning the key. When you turn the ignition key, it sends an electrical signal to the solenoid. Second, engaging the solenoid. The solenoid activates and pulls in a plunger, which engages the pinion gear with the flywheel. Third, power to the motor. The solenoid also sends power to the starter motor, causing the armature to spin. Finally, cranking the engine. As the armature spins, the pinion gear turns the flywheel, which starts the engine. The starter motor is vital for engine operation. A faulty starter can lead to several issues, such as clicking sounds. This indicates that the solenoid is trying to engage but failing. No response. If you turn the key and nothing happens, the starter motor may be dead. And intermittent starting. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, which can be frustrating. And there you have it. The starter motor is a small but mighty component that plays a vital role in running your car or machine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive insights. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.